Oh sure, that man-made snow is fine, but boy, when Mother Nature can give you several more inches of the real thing, you really have to get out there. That's what Jamie Walter did today with a group of fellow skiers at Sugarloaf. Big thanks to him for sending along this video from the slopes today.
Oh, looks nice.
Yes, that corduroy on the sides also looks good too.
A lot of that stuff I can't actually ski that well, but it's nice to watch other people do it.
Yeah.
You know, I'm an East Coast skier in that way. Like, you give me too much real snow and I'm like,
I don't know what to do with it.
Yeah.
Where's the ice?
Am I supposed to be back here?
Right.
What am I supposed to do? We still have some snow going on, and actually it kind of filled back in a place like Bangor and Orono and Skowhegan, so Dover Foxcroft as well. So we've got another little hit of snow coming through here. Pretty good looking on radar. We thought it would fill in a bit along this trough, but it's fairly aggressive, especially again in the Bangor area where we're going to bring this through the evening commute. Not super ideal. It's probably accumulating pretty well. Temperatures in the 20s in a lot of spots. Old Town getting in on this too. These are moderate bands of snow coming in along that trough, which is way elongated. Look at this low out here. So if I were to draw a surface map here, you'd see a trough go from this low all the way across to about where that snow is. So it's the ultimate trailing trough, if you will, behind that low pressure system. Snow total so far is really what we should say, because it is still snowing in quite a few spots. Jackpot's been about over a foot in Rangeley, but it was earlier in the day they reported this. Probably ended up with a little bit more. Millinock at 7, Bangor 5.1 and adding to it right now. Standish 3. The only one that surprised me here was Camden, 4.4. Surface temperatures were really borderline, but they got it done somehow overnight. And then the Jetport is sad, 0.3 inches, basically no real accumulating snowfall there. So you can see the models trying to figure out that trough is there. Not doing a super great job with it right now, but there'll be continued light snow to moderate snow over the next few hours there. I think even down over southern coastal Maine, we could get a quick hit of snow on the way out that could give us a dusting, a coating, if you will, of accumulation. We'll get these snow showers and light snow out of here by tomorrow morning, but tomorrow's a cold day. Even when we break into a bit of sun, we're only around freezing or a little bit below. What you can't see here are north winds coming in 15, 20 miles an hour. So it's pretty wintry, and that's our vibe over the next few days, like true winter for a few days in a row. Look at these overnight lows when we get into Wednesday morning. Pretty chilly, 1 in Rangeley, 8 in Waterville, 14 in even in a place like Wiscasset right on the water there. So that's something we're going to be getting into for a few days. And our high temperatures, you can see really suppressed Wednesday, Thursday, start to come back up on Friday. They do warm up for the weekend. This might come with a little rain late Sunday afternoon, but into the low 50s there. Just an idea of where we're going to be for these couple of mornings. You know, below 0 in a few spots, low teens right to the coastline, especially with snowpack. Of course, it'll be even colder. Models sometimes struggle with that. So look at those 3s there in the overnight, and that's an average. I tend to use Lewiston area for an inland low, and so that shows you it's going to be a lot colder in a couple other spots. Weekend looks all right at this point. Saturday looks good. Sunday, the difference between whether it starts raining at 4 or 7 is going to make a huge difference in how the weekend feels. So we'll try to nail that down. It'd be great to hold that front off until Sunday night.
The bright side of 4 o'clock being sunset then. So if it starts raining at
Yes,
4, well, the sun's already gone down, so the party's over.
It is weird how that happens, but I think if we hold that front, we could be in the mid-50s on Sunday, which would be really pleasant.
Yeah. All right, Keith, thank you.